phone a ring, that a good sign. Because some my time when you call them a place here, them a government office here, nobody no pick up. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Is this RGD? The Register General Department. Yes, ma'am. Is Miss Madeline here, ma'am? Me calling to apply for me H paper, ma'am. What you say, ma'am? I know H paper, birth certificate? No, ma'am. Is H paper, ma'am. Me sure, ma'am. Listen, lady, let me tell you something. I know me send myself to call you. You understand what me say? From a morning, me done a passport office, and I them tell me say fi go no a call because me cannot get passport until me apply for H paper, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So nobody thinks say and me take it up on myself to call you know, because right about here now me not even have credit on my phone. So let's get this show quick, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Me have a idea of me age, ma'am. 49 and a half, ma'am. Listen, lady, no test me patience here today. You understand? Because me know me age. So all you have to do is put me age on the paper and give me age paper. Yes, ma'am. Hold on. I hang up on me. Papa Jesus, your sister them your people done a RGD. I test me patience today, you know. I mean no him feet today, you know. Me a good on there now.